Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy here doing another unboxing for you guys. This one's a little bit different. I'm doing an unboxing. As you can tell probably by the title, I'm doing a KAWS unboxing. I'm doing a KAWS toy. This is the pink BFF. I got it from the KAWS 1 website. It was an ordeal just to get it. It sold out at MoMA and it sold out at the KAWS 1 website, but I was lucky enough to get it. Here it is. It just got delivered. The UPS man is probably still outside. So let's get to it. Let's just open it up. So here on the box, as you can see, I mean, there's nothing other than the shipping label with my address. And it's a plain box, nothing on it really. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right. This is exciting. I've got the two from MoMA, the MoMA website. Well, actually, no. The blue one I got from the MoMA website, which is a MoMA exclusive, and the black one I got from the KAWS 1 website. All these other ones I've gotten directly from KAWS, the KAWS 1 website, so I'm very excited. Ooh, this is a nice color. I mean, I knew it was going to be pink, but seeing it in person is a whole different game. So here it is, guys. Check it out. Pink, pink, pink. Yes, I love it. Wow, that is nice. I was expecting it to be a little bit more pale in color, but this is very, very vibrant. I mean, look at it, just like, whoo, this is nice. All right, so what I usually like to do is I like to open these with scissors because I always keep the bag because of the authenticity sticker down at the bottom. And that's just me. I'm very OCD with my things, and I keep bags and boxes and wrapping paper. That's what I do. All right, so I'm gonna carefully cut it here. I need a lot of concentration. Just kidding. But not really. All right. Almost done here. Ooh, this smells good. Just cutting the package, you can smell what's inside, and it smells like that plastic, which I love. I know that's kind of weird, but hey, there you are. This is sweet. All right, so it comes in this plastic case, if you will, and it's in the back and the front. So the front here comes off like this, and yep. Oh, that plastic smell just reminds me of my childhood. All right, so here it is, guys. It comes with wrapping or plastic on both its hands, and that would just fall off, and both its feet. The reason why they do this, I've been told, is because these are, you know, flexible and they do move. So in shipping, the hands move as well. As you can see, they twist. They're a little stiff because obviously it's brand new out of the package, but they do twist and move. So I'm guessing they do that for protection, and so it won't scratch the body or the feet itself. They won't scratch the other shoe right here. So yeah, I mean, this is it. Here it is, the pink one. Wow, look at the detail on that. I mean, it is just crazy. I get a lot of hate from a lot of people for buying these at such expensive prices. I mean, this one right here was I think it was $280 retail plus 30 shipping, something like $310 or something like that. And I do get a lot of hate from family and friends. They're like, why are you buying this, blah, blah, blah. Like, what's so expensive? It's just a toy. It just sits there in your room, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, you know what? It makes me happy. That's why I do it. That's why I do a lot of this stuff. If it makes me happy and it's not hurting anybody, why not? So, you know, I like this. I like collecting toys, and not just toys, but just in general. I like collecting stuff. I have a bunch of stuff that I collect that I like, and it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't hurt anybody. So here it is. Let me show you. This is KAWS 18 Open Edition on the feet. Medicom toy. This is made by Medicom, and it was made in China, and the smell is just plastic, and I like it. The amount of detail on this thing is incredible, and I can see, you know, why people like this so much, because they're unique. They're kind of strange, to be honest. It's like a like a Cookie Monster sort of a thing. I mean, the blue one looks more like it, obviously, because of the color. But I mean, that's all it is. The head does rotate about 10 degrees or so. The arms do move up and down, both of them do. The hands do twist, and they are a little stiff because it's brand new. And the feet move as well, so you can, you know, move the feet and kind of just make them do things, I guess. But that's all it is. Here it is. It's about, I want to say maybe 13.5 to 14 inches tall. And it's just gonna go up there next to all the other ones. So yeah, that's basically it. I want to thank you guys for watching. I don't do YouTube. This is not my thing. I just decided, you know what, there isn't a whole lot of these on YouTube, so let me just go ahead and get on the YouTube bandwagon. So I guess let me get a, there you go, thumbnail. Hey. Alright, later guys. Subscribe if you liked the video. Let me know if you want to see more of my collections of, I don't know, let me know if you guys like my videos. Alright, thank you guys.